QA32 report, and let me remove this and execute it. It is inspected and result recording has been done. If I click on results, MIC with the name size, and these are the results which are entered. Okay. Select this, unlock it, and make it say 90. Enter. So now it is rejected, and click on save. Again, if I go to the results, then I will be able to see the latest current, what is the value, right? 90. But if I want to see what was the previous value before editing this, if it is edited, then how we can do that? Because client do ask you sometimes these kind of requirements that they want to see both the result. If another quality inspector has edited the results, then what was the previous result which was entered before his new results? Okay. So in the normal case, we cannot see this. Let's take any fresh material and we will run the cycle on that. 1000 raw material, execute. Okay, 100-310 if I take Control Y, Control C. Okay, so /m/mm02, enter. This is the material, enter. Quality management view, 1000 plant, and in the inspection setup, activate inspection type is 01. Activate it. Let's activate 89. Continue. Save. Let's create new MIC. QS21 test 2 released, and then can select this and paste it here. Okay, so let me first select quantitative MIC, upper limit, lower limit, sampling procedure, summarized recording. I'm selecting continue, and here I have selected this control indicator, which is result recording change document. Whenever I press F1 key on this, will create a change document during result recording. Okay. If we make any changes in the results, then it will keep a document. Save it. And let me create one more MIC, say test 3, enter. And it is a qualitative MIC. I'm keeping it released. Copy. In this, I'm selecting characteristics, attributes, sampling procedure, continue, and result recording, continue, and let's save it. Or we can assign the catalogs also. Okay, so I have selected color, suppose. And continue, let's save it. So we have created two MICs, one is qualitative and quantitative MICs. Now let's create an inspection plan for it, /n to P01, enter. And this is the material. Usage, we can keep it as 5. Status is 4. Operation, I can enter my control key as QM01, inspection as a description, and the characteristics I can enter test 2. Press enter key, and I can specify my lower limit and upper limits 10 to say 14, and sampling procedure I can select fixed sample. Grade. You can assign another one also, which is test 3. Enter, and the sampling procedure we can select, say sample size is 1. Okay, so and Let's check once again the control indicator. We have selected result recording, change document. In both the cases, one is a qualitative MIC and another is a quantitative MICs, right? So let's save it, and now we will create a log for it. Slash in QA01, enter. Quantity I can enter, save, enter. Okay, 5, and task is sample. Click on sample and then click on save. So now we can do the result recording for the same. And here I can enter some values. Okay, so I have entered the value in test 2 as 10, which is within the range, and color as red. Press enter key, valuation is coming accordingly, and then click on save. Again, I am going to this, let me go to QA32 report, or we can directly here also press enter key again. Select all, unlock it, and this time I'm keeping it say 14. Okay. And this I'm keeping it as blue. Okay. So instead of red, now I have made it to blue, and this is now 14. Go to QA32 report and execute it. So this is the lot, and we can do the usage decision also. Let's accept it and save it. So this is my lot number, refresh it. This is the lot for which we have done the result recording and done the UD. Let me go to the display mode, and if I click on results, so we have edited the results. Previously it was 10, and now if I want to see the changes which we have done for these MICs, here you can see change history is there. So if I click on this, it will give you this pop-up, and it is giving me the time period. If I double click on it, old value was 10 and the new value is 14. Detail QANR table. Able to see the details, I can enter my inspection lot number. This is the one. Let me go to the display mode of the lot, and this is my inspection lot number. And click on execute. You can see two MICs are there. Characteristics 10 and characteristics 20, and these are the details, what all things are maintained for it. Inspection lot number, you will be able to get the node number, okay, for which you want to see the edited value. Let's take the first one, double click on it, you will get the further details. First you write the inspection law, then you write the node number, okay, and then the characteristics operation number. The whole thing will be one number now, okay, that number we will be using. The characteristics number, which is 10. Concatenate to control B, and then this, control C, control B, and so this is the number now which I got after concatenating all the things. QA, MR, you will get the how many MICs are there, characteristics detail, and here you can see our change document. This is X. It means the MIC results has been edited. Okay. The one-time entry, but if it is X means the MIC has been edited. So then this X will come. Let's go back and Go for another table. CDPOS. Press enter key. This is the object ID. We'll add it in the object ID. Just now I entered and then click on execute. Fetch the data from the table, the old value and the new value for this. The previous old value which we have entered was 10. New value which we have entered is 14. The further details also. If I select this and click on details, it will give you this, or double click on it. You can see the new value is 14, the old value is 10 for this. And what is the object? This is the number which we create, okay, using the combination of your lot number, your node, and the MIC number, okay. So let's go back. Qualitative MIC also. Again, I need the same details which we have created here. Let's copy this. Control C, because remaining thing will remain same. Only it will be 20. Table name which is used is CDPOS. Enter, and I'll enter the object number which is, and then click on execute. Select this and double click on it. So here you can see the values which we have entered, 4 and 1. ऐसे तो समझ में आने से रहा. Okay, let's go to the result recording screen. It is blue means 4, showing you the code number only. 4. Okay. So new value is 4, which is this 4 only, which is blue. And the previous value was 1. We have selected 1 in. If we want, we can see the code's detail. Let's open another /n/o QS21. We have selected this color only, no? First was 1 and this 4 is blue. So we have, after changing from 1, we have made it to 4. So this is the way you will get the value for inspection lot, inspection specification, and this and characteristics, and it is test 3 catalogs. And color new display details. So it was red first and then blue. I have selected that only. So real-time case that they want to see both the results.